Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the crop tool to get the right aspect ratio and also to make your image so that you've centered it and it looks a little bit better. So you go over to the crop tool. This is the original, right now it's set to the original ratio, right? So I don't know exactly what that's width to height wise, but say you want it to be a square, you would choose the square, and now I can kind of move it around in that square. So the aspect ratio is going to be a square, and I can make it smaller or bigger. But when you click on the tool, you're going to get other options for that tool up here on the top. So for the crop tool, these are my different options. So I say I want it to be 4x5. I'm going to do that. Okay, I'm going to cancel. It's going to Control Z back to my original. Control Z is graphic design. I think most software is just undo. All right, so I want to go over and I want to do, again, I'm going to do a square. Okay, so I'm like, I don't like that. That looks good. Perfect. Looking good. All right, so this is my aspect ratio is 1:1. Okay, so now I'm actually make it a little smaller. I'm gonna do that. Say I want that. That's exactly what I want. So I'm done. Okay, so now the question is, what if the image size is all messed up now, right? Because I decided I wanted it to be like 2 inches square. So how do I fix that? So go back over into image, and I go over to image size. And keeping the resolution at 300, I can change the width back to 2 inches. So now you have a 2-inch by 2-inch square. And then you can file, you can do a save, or you can do a save, will just go over the original picture. A save as will give you a copy. So you could just say, image 1, copy. Right, so that way you have 2 of them. You have the original one and that one. Okay, hope that helped.